MC Orton found solace in the gentle hum of her beehives. The rhythmic buzz of the bees was like a soothing melody that calmed her soul. She dedicated her life to understanding these fascinating creatures, spending countless hours observing their behavior and habits. Years were spent observing their intricate society and the golden nectar they produced. Each day brought new discoveries and deeper appreciation for their complex world. One day, a chance encounter with a passage from the Quran piqued her interest. It was a moment of serendipity that would change her perspective forever. It spoke of bees in a way she had never encountered before, describing their behavior and purpose with an uncanny accuracy. Intrigued, Orton embarked on a journey to unravel the surprising connection between her beloved bees and this ancient text. She felt a new sense of purpose guiding her. Orton, with her background in entomology, was familiar with the scientific intricacies of bees. She had studied their anatomy, behavior, and ecological importance extensively, yet the Quran's words seemed to resonate on a different level. They spoke to her not just as a scientist, but as a human being seeking deeper understanding. The verses were not just poetic descriptions. They hinted at a depth of knowledge that was scientifically accurate, yet revealed centuries ago. It was as if the ancient text held secrets waiting to be discovered. This sparked a fire in Orton's heart, a desire to delve deeper into this unexpected intersection of faith and science. She felt a renewed passion for her work. Little did she know, her exploration would lead her to a profound revelation about the natural world and the universe's mysteries. Her journey was just beginning, and the path ahead was filled with endless possibilities. The Quran, revealed in the 7th century, dedicates a significant portion of Surah An-Nahl, chapter 16, to bees. This chapter, named after the bee, holds profound insights into the natural world and the divine wisdom behind it. Verse 68 speaks directly to the bee's divine guidance, and your Lord inspired the bee, saying, "Take you habitations in the mountains and in the trees and in what they erect." This verse highlights the bee's instinctual behavior, guided by a higher power. This resonated deeply with Orton. She knew bees often built their hives in elevated locations, protected from the elements. These high places offer safety and security, ensuring the survival of their colonies. The Quran accurately reflected the bee's natural inclination for these strategic nesting sites. It was a testament to the text's profound understanding of nature's intricacies. Orton was further astounded by verse 69. "Then eat from all the fruits and follow the ways of your Lord laid down for you." This verse encapsulated the bee's role in the ecosystem. This verse, she realized, alluded to the bees' vital role as pollinators. Their journey from flower to flower is not just about collecting nectar, but also about ensuring the propagation of plant species. As they flit from flower to flower collecting nectar, they facilitate the reproduction of countless plant species. This act of pollination is crucial for the growth of fruits, vegetables, and other crops. This process, essential for life on Earth, was intricately linked to the bee's sustenance, a relationship the Quran highlighted with remarkable clarity. The symbiotic relationship between bees and plants is a cornerstone of biodiversity. This intricate connection between bees, plants, and the ecosystem was not only beautiful but demonstrated a deep understanding of the natural world. The Quran's verses on bees serve as a reminder of the delicate balance and harmony in nature, urging us to appreciate and protect it. Orton was particularly drawn to verse 69's continuation. There emerges from their bellies a drink, varying in colors, in which there is healing for people. Honey, the liquid gold produced by bees, has been revered for its medicinal properties for millennia. Modern science has confirmed honey's potent antibacterial and antifungal properties, validating the Quran's assertion of its healing qualities. Orton, in her years as a beekeeper, had witnessed firsthand the soothing effect of honey on wounds and its ability to soothe sore throats. The Quran's acknowledgement of honey's diverse colors also intrigued her. She knew the color and flavor of honey varied depending on the flowers visited by the bees. This detail, she realized, showcased an intimate understanding of the bee's world and its connection to the environment. The Quran, it seemed, contained a wealth of knowledge about bees that was both ancient and incredibly accurate. One verse in particular sent shivers down Orton's spine. And your Lord taught the honey bee to build its cells in hills, on trees, and in men's habitations, then to eat of all the produce of the earth and find with skill the spacious paths of its Lord. There issues from within their bodies a drink of varying colours, wherein is healing for men. Verily, and this is a sign for those who give thought. Quran 1668-69. These 16 words, she realized, encapsulated an astounding scientific fact. The verse not only described the intricate process of honey production, but also hinted at the complex social structure of bees. In the 1950s, scientists discovered that female bees have 32 chromosomes, while male bees, developing from unfertilized eggs, have only 16. This discovery was groundbreaking and added a new layer of understanding to the verse. The Quran's use of the feminine pronoun it in reference to the bee that produces honey aligned perfectly with this scientific discovery. It was as if the text had foreseen the genetic intricacies of bees long before modern science caught up. This level of scientific accuracy in a text revealed over 1,300 years earlier was simply astounding to Orton. It was a revelation that bridged the gap between ancient wisdom and modern science. It hinted at a source of knowledge that was beyond human comprehension at the time. The verse served as a reminder of the profound mysteries that still exist in our world, waiting to be uncovered. Section 5. The female force of the hive. The Quran's consistent use of the feminine pronoun in relation to bees was not lost on Orton. She knew that within a bee colony it is the female worker bees that are responsible for building the hive, collecting nectar and producing honey. The male drones, on the other hand, have a much more passive role, primarily focused on mating with the queen. This division of labor within the hive, with females shouldering the responsibility of sustenance and construction, was reflected in the Quran's language. But this, Orton realized, was not a coincidence. It pointed towards an understanding of bee society that was both detailed and scientifically sound. The Quran was not just speaking about bees in a general sense, it was acknowledging the specific roles and capabilities of female bees. Section 6. 2 stomachs, 1 tiny body. Orton delved further into the Quranic verses and discovered another fascinating detail. The text alluded to the bees having 2 stomachs, one for eating and the other for storing nectar. This was a concept that, while common knowledge in modern entomology, was unheard of in 7th century Arabia. Bees, Orton knew, possess a unique second stomach called a honey sac or crop. This sac allows them to store nectar collected from flowers separately from their digestive system. When they return to the hive, they regurgitate the nectar from this sac to be processed into honey. The Quran's acknowledgement of this physiological feature of bees, centuries before the invention of the microscope, was nothing short of astonishing. Section 7. Ancient Wisdom, Modern Revelations. Orton's journey through the Quran's verses about bees had a profound impact on her. She realized that the wisdom contained within this ancient text extended far beyond religious teachings. It held within its verses a deep understanding and appreciation for the natural world, an understanding that was startlingly in line with modern scientific discoveries. This realization sparked a new perspective in Orton's scientific mind. It challenged her to look beyond the confines of her scientific discipline and acknowledge the possibility of knowledge existing outside the realm of what was currently scientifically explainable. The Quran's verses served as a reminder that the natural world was filled with wonders yet to be discovered. It urged humanity to approach nature with humility and respect, recognizing the intricate balance that governs all living things. Section 8. A Journey of Faith and Science. Orton's journey, sparked by simple curiosity, had blossomed into a profound personal transformation. The Quran's verses on bees, initially an intriguing anomaly, became a testament to the interconnectedness of faith, nature, and scientific exploration. They challenged her preconceived notions and opened her heart to a deeper understanding of the universe and its mysteries. Orton continued her work as a beekeeper, now with a renewed sense of purpose. She saw her bees not just as fascinating insects, but as divine creations. Their intricate lives a testament to a higher power. The Quran's verses had not provided her with all the answers, but they had illuminated a path, a journey of seeking knowledge and finding beauty in the harmonious dance between faith and science. It was a journey she knew would continue to inspire her for years to come.